Want to know how to create a progress tracker in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So we have this small simple code right here. So the idea is pretty simple. Preprint a loading message and then show a series of blocks appearing one by one using a loop. We even add a tiny delay to give it that real progress bar effect. As the loop runs, each block comes in smoothly, just like install screens or load screens in your apps. When it reaches the end, it prints completed simply, and the animation instantly feels clean and polished. And that's it. This project simply teaches us about loops, timing, thread sleep, and simple console animation techniques. So I'm just going to run this code to simply show you how it works. So as you can see right here, our loading is happening with an animation, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.